Okay, today I'm going to be today is the demo 2, and I'm going to be explain the OTC cycle in SAP system. SAP system, how we are going to create a invoice document, inquiry document, quotation, sales order, delivery, PGI, and invoice. Yesterday we discussed about the OTC cycle. So the same OTC cycle I'm going to create in the SAP system, and I will show you. Before that, this is the course content. See, here is the SAP SD topics. SD topics, total 25 topics are there. These are the 25 topics. And in this, pricing is very important one. Okay. And the sales process, delivery process, billing, and some of the additional topics. Okay. If you know these are of the 25 process, then you can survive into any kind of the SAP project. Okay, any kind of the project, you will be survive. Okay, and here is the HANA. These are the new ones. New ones are added in S4 HANA system. Here the new functionalities are added. And coming to here is the real time. These are the real time topics. If you know these all those things, then you can fit into the support projects. Support project. Example, if you are joined in the support project, they will give you the task as a monitoring the IDOC. Okay, IDOC monitoring. Just only IDOC monitoring. If you know the IDOC monitoring and identifying the issue, and then you need to be sending a mail to users. That's it. That is the only one job you have to one task you have to do it in the some of the projects. That is the reason I am going to be cover these are the real-time topics. What is the implementation? What are the phases are there in the implementation project? And what is our roles and responsibilities in the support project? And how we are going to do the configuration of the IDOCs and how we are going to be monitor the IDOCs. IDOCs is very important in all global clients. Global clients means whoever doing the business throughout the globe, throughout the worldwide, they are using the IDOCs. So whoever the SD consultant, if it is 1 year experience or 2 year experience, that guy should know the IDOCs monitoring. Okay, and background jobs, how to set up a background job and how to monitor the background jobs. And I will explain the riser. What is the riser? What we have to do with the riser? And what is the functional specification document? What we have to do with the functional specification document? And these are the tools for the data upload. These are the data upload tools. Data upload. And this is also mass change. You can say mass change. Example, if you want to change any field data in customer master. In customer master, the customer masters around 100 customers are there. So with this one transaction code, you can change the value in all customers at a time. Okay. So these are the important real-time topics. If you know these are the 25 topics and these are the real-time topics, then that would be sufficient. That would be sufficient. But to understand these all those things, it will take around 3 months. 3 months to understand the each and every concept. What is the account groups? What is the partner functions? These are all the things will take around 3 months to understand. So once the class is completed, you need to be practice at least 2 hours, and theory part also 1 hour you need to be study on the topic. Okay, then only you can understand the SAP SD subject. I'm going to show the SAP system. This is the remote desktop. So remote desktop, I am using the testing system. It's a testing system. But in real time, or if you joined in any of the project, here is the SAP login pad. This is the SAP login pad. This login pad will be installed on your system. If you already know, that is fine. But whoever does not see. So for the SAP, I'm explaining to them. Okay, this is the SAP logon pad. It is the version 770. Okay, 770 or 760 or 750, whatever the latest version is available. So they will guide you. Basis team will guide you to install which version you have to be installed. They will guide you. And here we have the all systems. This is S4HANA practice system. So practice system. So that's why I have only one. But when you join in the real time, you can have here multiple systems like development server, quality server, production server, and pre-production server, like that. Testing systems, like that. Multiple different systems will be available in your SAP logon pad. SAP logon pad. If you want to add one more system here, right now I don't have any other system, but I will show you how to add. Click on the new connection, then click on the next. Here, what is the description? See system description, system ID, and server name, instance number, server name here. Here we have to give it and just click next and finish. Then this is the way you have to be add your systems to SAP logon pad. Add your systems to the logon pad. Okay. You have to be double click on the system. Then it will give you this thing. First one is the client. Client means what is the client number? What is the client number? Example, in development server might be 200, testing server might be 300, and the production server might be 500. These are the client numbers. In which client you are going to do the configuration, in which client you are going to do the testing, and what is the production client. These are the numbers basis system will be provide, and they will simply set up. And they will ask you to add it into your system, into your SAP logon pad. That's it. Once you added now, so they will provide a credentials. They will provide to you. So that credentials is nothing but a user ID password. Okay, user ID password they will give you. Okay, just press enter. And this SAP logon, this is the SAP Easy Access menu. Easy Access menu. Okay, and this SAP is available around 16 languages. I know English, so that's why I just logged into the English. If you know Chinese, you can log into the Chinese. If somebody knows the German language also, they can log into that. SAP provided the 16 languages. They can work in 16 languages. Correct. This is the initial phase, SAP Easy Access. You can say SAP Easy Access. On this SAP Easy Access screen, who is going to be work? End users. End users are going to be work on this screen. Okay, if anybody has any questions now, you can raise me, you can stop me anywhere. Okay, anytime you can stop. Okay, this is the end user screen. What they are going to do, they were directly going to create a sales order, inquiry, delivery, invoice. That's it. That is the thing only end users will be doing at SAP systems. In SAP system on top they are doing. But we are the consultants. We are the consultants. We are going to be work in SPRO. SPRO and click on IMC. Here, this is the consultant page where consultants are working here. Okay, the first one is easy access. Okay, first one is easy access. End users will be created. End users will be work. But here is the consultants are going to be work. Okay. So here I will show you the OTC cycle. How we are going to be create a OTC cycle in the system. Logistics. Here the end users they are going to be work here. Sales and distribution. We are the SD consultant. So go to the sales and distribution. Under the logistics. Sales. See, inquiry, quotation, sales order. When somebody yesterday we discussed about the Hyundai car. When we visit to the any branches, they will create a inquiry document on your name. That is what I'm going to create it in the system. Just double click. This VA1, VA11 is a transaction code to open the create inquiry document. VA11 is a transaction code. The transaction code we have to be entered here. VA11. Yes, you can hear only. VA11. Right. Each and every inquiry type, quotation type, sales order type have one document type. Document type. See, here is the SAP provided the n number of document types are there. So we have to be copy the standard document type and we need to be rename with different inquiry name. I already did that one. I will show you. I will directly create a inquiry document. This one J2IN. G2IN is my inquiry document. So I just selected the G2IN. I will show you how we are going to be rename it the G2IN. These are those things we will know in the classes. So in today's class, we just concentrate how to create an inquiry. That's it. And we need the sales organization E7 and E1. Okay, this is my sales organization. I will tell you what is the sales organization. These are those things. The classes we are going to know these are those things. Press enter. Okay. Once you press enter, here create inquiry document. This is the inquiry document. Here see, it is asking sold to party. Sold to party means who is going to purchase the car. That guy name already we are going to create a master data in the system. In the system master data already we are going to be creating a master data for that particular customer. Then once we enter that number, system automatically it will brings the his name, address, all the details it will come. And here I am going to be purchase a car or whatever it is. I have one material. I'm just entering this material number. Material number is nothing but the product, whatever the product you are purchasing, that we are that in SAP we are call it as a material. Like if you visit any Vijeta store, like you are purchasing 100 items, 100 different items, but everything in SAP terminology they are called as a materials. 10 materials they purchased, like that. And this material I'm going to purchase 2 quantity. How many quantity you require? I need only 2 quantity. So I just enter the material number, I enter the quantity. That's it. Just press enter. If I press enter, system will bring all those things. Okay. See, this is the quantity and this is the description of the material. Description of this material. This material we need to be create already and store in the system. Once the material is available in the system, then only we can do the sales. Okay. And here, this is the guy, Sony Enterprises. This is the guy is a customer. These details automatically system will bring you for you. And here is the material details. It will show you. And what is the net value? Net value means pricing. We can enter the pricing here. Here is the conditions. In the conditions, I'm going to be enter the pricing. 8 lakhs. This much amount I enter. Okay. 8 lakhs. Here is the total net value is 16 lakhs because I'm going to purchase the two. One value is 8 lakhs. So total cost is 16 lakhs. This is the price. This is the price. When you visit the Vijeta store, what that guy, the front end guy or sales guy, what he's going to do? He's just scanning your product. You just do the scanning your product. So automatically system will give you the product name with price as well. With price, with the quantity, these all those things automatically system will give you. How the system knows these all those things? System does not know anything. We are going to be create a materials. We have to create a materials and store into the system. Okay, and same like customers also we are creating a customers in the system and placing that. While we are purchasing now, you just scanning these products. What are the products we require? You just scanning. System automatically it will give you the pricing. Okay. G2 material discount. Example, this Diwali, we have a discount for this grand item news, seat covers or whatever it is. We have a discount is there on this material. So I'm giving a 10% of discount. So total cost is 16 lakhs and now the cost is 14 lakhs 40,000. 14 lakhs 40,000. Like that, whatever the price requirement you want, you can enter it. This is the tax. Okay, this is the tax is condition record base. That is okay. So you can enter the tax and these all those things have to be entered in this condition. Under the condition, then you can see your price, total price, you can see it. And enter the plant. Enter the plant in shipping. This is my plant. This is my plant means like from where you are going to be shipping, where you are going to be do the shipping. The plant has to be entered in the system. This is the 1203. That's it. Now, yes, inquiry document is created. I'm going to be check it. Is there any mandatory fields are missing or not? Just click on the edit, click on the incompletion mark. System will show you what are the things are missing. Quotation, validity. So this is the inquiry document. Inquiry document, how many days it is validity? Like yesterday I told you it's like 3 months or 2 months also, they can keep it their system. Okay, this is the validity, inquiry validity until 25 December. By the time if you did not purchase now, then they will leave this inquiry. Okay, so customer is not okay or you don't want to purchase this vehicle, so they can delete or reason for rejection, they can close this inquiry document. Okay, I just entered the validity. So system is showing document is complete. Once the document is complete message, if you see it here, just click on the save. Save. Okay, see number is generated automatically. 36. 36 is our inquiry document number. How the system know? Okay, next number is 36. Next number is 37. Next one is 38. How the system know? System does not know anything. We have to be provide a, we have to be create a number ranges in the system. Number ranges in the system. Number ranges is nothing but when you visit any burger showroom or anything, they will give you one token number. And the token number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sequence numbers will be count. How the system knows that? It does not know anything. System does not know anything. We are giving the number ranges. So we are the consultants. The consultants are going to create a number ranges and what kind of the document type, we have user, end users has to be used. These all those things we need to be defined. See, G to IN. How the end user knows that only G to IN only has to be used? He does not know anything. We are the consultant. So we are creating these all the things and we need to be informed to them. While you are creating an inquiry, please use this. We are the things. That is the reason consultants are demanded. Consultants have the more demand than the end users. End user, anyone can work as an end user. If you provide the user manuals or some training of 2 weeks of the training, they can create the sales orders, they can create the inquiry deliveries, they can create it. But coming to the consultants, that is completely different. You should understand what's going behind the inquiry, behind the quotation. These are all those things you have to know. Okay, inquiry document is completed. Now I am going to create a quotation document with this inquiry document. To create the quotation document, transaction code is VA21. This is the command bar. This is the command bar. Here you have to be enter a VA21 is the transaction code to create a quotation document. Press enter. Okay, see quotation type, create quotations. Now I am going to select the quotation document type G2 QT. G2 QT already I created. Now I am going to create a quotation with reference of inquiry document, which is created today. See, create with reference. Create with reference of the inquiry. With the reference of the inquiry, you can create, or else if you don't want to take that reference, you can click on the continue option. Two options are there. Business will tell you. Whenever you are going to create a quotation, you should copy the inquiry number. Then you have to create lines. Then system will give you a pop-up. This message we are calling it as a pop-up message. In this pop-up, here inquiry, quotation, order, these all those things are there. Now we need only the inquiry number. Inquiry number here. I don't know the inquiry number. Just now I created, but I forgot. I don't know that number. Then you can search it here. You can search here with your sales organization. With your sales organization, click start search. Okay, just click on this start search. Right. See the latest one, 36. 36 one created on today. Today, document date. Document date is 26/10/2024. This is the one just now we created. These all are the earlier created documents. I need the latest one. Select this one, click OK. Select this one. Now just double click. Just double click. Here is the inquiry document number is given. Click on copy. Click on copy. So we are going to be copy the inquiry document to create a quotation. System is taking some time to process this. So that is why you are seeing this icon next to the cursor. Okay, so creation document, creation quotation document. Automatically, all details are given. Pricing, price. So might be copy conditions are not working. So I need to enter the pricing once again here. Same like edit incompletion bar. Then system will tell you what are the mandatory fields we missed. Then it will show you. Okay, we have missed the quotation valid 2. Select this complete data. Just enter the quotation also should have some valid from and valid to validity periods. Okay, just enter. See here, everything is copied. This pricing procedure, details, everything is copied from inquiry to quotation. Here you can see the shipping details. These are all the details we are going to be learn each and everything in the upcoming classes, coming classes. Okay. So create quotation. I'm going to save this document. Yes, quotation number is different. Inquiry document number is different. Quotation number is different. 5000782. Okay, this is what the quotation number has to be generated. So we created the number ranges in the system for this quotation document. Right now, inquiry is done. Quotation also is done. Now customer is happy and he wants to place a order. Then we are going to create a sales order. EA01. Okay, if you remember the yesterday cycle, I will work once again. So this is the thing I'm creating. This is the OTC cycle. Inquiry is done. Quotation also is just now done. I'm going to create the third step, that is a sales order. To create the sales order, VA01 is the standard transaction code, which is provided by SAP. VA01. Press enter. And order type for the sales order for each and every process have the separate document types. That is Z3OR. I rename it G3OR. I'll tell you what is the standard document type and what we renamed it. OR is the standard. So OR is the standard document type and I just renamed it with Z3. Now I'm going to create with a quotation with reference to the quotation. Create with reference. See, automatically system will show you. Take the quotation number. Click on the search. This is the sales organization. In this sales organization, only we created the quotation. So this is the filter criteria. Filter criteria. Click on start search. System will show you the quotation latest one. This is the one 26/10/2024. This is what we created today. Just double click. Click on copy. Okay, automatically all details are copied, including price also is copied. Just double click here, check the conditions, what are the pricing, the same pricing, everything is copied. Shipping, yes, shipping also copied. And here we can see the delivery date. When we are going to receive our cycle, our this one, Honda vehicle or this material, seat covers material, when we are going to be receive it today itself, because we have the enough stock. So whenever you place the order on the same day, we are going to be delivered to you. That kind of the materials are available with the company. Okay, click on edit incompletion log. So this is just one test to maintain some beauty. These are the tests. Test like when you are placing any order, you are giving some instructions to the order. Example, very simple one is like you are purchasing any glass items. Now, what you are going to do? Tell like please be handled with care, pack properly. So make sure all precautions you need to be followed when you are packing the glass items. These are all those things. These are all those things we are going to be instruct to him. Those things. Yeah. We'll tell you each and every topic we have in the real time in the classes. We're going to be discussing all these things. See, document is completed. Sales address document is completed. When you see this message, you can save this document. Save. See, this is the standard sales order. 783 is created. What is the next step? Delivery. See here, delivery. PGA invoice. So next is the delivery. To create the delivery, transaction code is VL01N. Okay, I will give you the all transaction codes. You have to be by heart these are the transaction codes. Then only you can quickly resolve the incidents in the real time. VL01N to create a outbound delivery. And here we need to enter the shipping point. Shipping point is from Hyderabad shipping point. And this is the sales order just now we created. Press enter. See, delivery. In this delivery, here we can see the how many delivery quantities. These are the you can see the quantity. And go to the picking. Is this 0 bags are available? Okay. Material is not available. I will do some posting and we'll show you. 70081. Stock is not available for this material. So I am doing the stock posting. In the real time, guys will do the stock posting, but for the practice purpose, I am doing this. What is the plant and what is the storage location? This is what the storage location. So, okay. Okay, document is posted. So quantity is available now. See, once the stock is available, it is ready in this plant. I'm going to take this storage location from 1 to 31. 1 to 31. I am going to pick the quantity. Okay, I'm going to purchase the two seat covers or two cars, we can say whatever it is. So this is the two. I'm going to pick it from the warehouse, the center. Here you can see fully picked. Yes, from warehouse to we are picking this quantity and we are sending. We are sending to the customer location. To do that, click on the post goods issue. Here you can see the post goods issue. So in the same transaction, we can create a delivery and we can do the post goods issue as well. That is the reason I am going to do these two things in one single transaction code. That is PL01. Here, this one, delivery PCA. These two things I'm going to do it in single transaction code. You can use the other transaction code VL02N for the only post goods issue. I will tell you all those things in the process. Okay, item 25, unfortunately, 27 numbers first. Batch number. System is asking the batch number and serial numbers as well. Serial numbers. See these many. How many quantity? 20. Two quantity. Serial numbers are required. I don't know. Just I'm just informing to the system, create serial number automatically. System will create the automatically these many serial numbers. See, serial numbers, these many serial numbers automatically system created. Okay, now it is everything is ready. Click on the post goods issue. Stock data of serial number. Okay. But these are the not mandatory as batch and these things serial numbers. But for this material, whatever the material I choose now, so for this one, it is asking these all those things. No problem. Once it is done, it can create the invoice. 0. See, once the delivery document is created, select the delivery document, click on the invoice. Okay, this is the last transaction code VF01. VF01, we need to create a inquiry doc. Inquiry document we are going to. Let me try with other material, but only from sales order. I'm just creating a sales order with the other material. I want to show you delivery and invoice. That's it. Delete in completion log. Yes. Select. Seven eight four. We are going to create a delivery. Okay, stock issue. These are the some issues will become, but this is the process we need to create a Compugo cycle. So I will show you what we created today. Document flow. If you click on this document flow, it will show you what are the documents we created with reference of inquiry, quotation, sales order. Once it is done, you can see the delivery and invoice. Okay. I will show you existing cycle. SE16N VBRK. I will take one invoice and then I will show you the complete flow. These are the tables data. Whatever the data we created now, everything will be stored in the table. So you have to remember the all tables as well. I will tell you each and every classes. Okay, this is what cycle will be show like this. This we are call it as a document flow. What is the first document? What is the second document? What is the sales order? What is the delivery? What is the invoice? And what is the accounting document? This is the they call it as a complete cycle. Okay, this is the OTC cycle. For example, once you created the invoice, general entry, it means accounting document is not generated. They will raise the ticket and assign to you. Then you have to understand, you have to do the analysis. Why the accounting document is not generated? What is the problem there? These all those things you need to do the analysis. You need to do the analysis. Those are the tickets. Those are the tickets. You need to be compare the master data, like customer data, material data. Is everything is correct or not? These all those things you need to do the analysis and resolve the ticket. These are the functional only. Once you understand the functional knowledge, then you can easily resolve the issues. Okay, this is what the OTC cycle. Well, this is what the OTC cycle. So you are doing, you have to do configure in the system as per the business requirement. As per the business requirement, you have to be configure the system. That's what you have to do it in the as a SAP SD consultant. That is the demo. This is the demo. So it is simply functional knowledge. Functional knowledge has to be there, and this SAP also friendly, user friendly, user friendly. There is no coding, no need to do any coding logics. These are also not required. Just functional knowledge is sufficient to get the job. That's it for demo 2 only. So it's completed. So if you have any questions, we can discuss. Any questions? The classes will start from Monday. I think. From Monday, we are going to be start the first class. So whoever wants to join, just please confirm to Nisha. Anybody having any experience or freshers? Can I have your small introduction? If you don't mind, can I have a small introduction?